Good morning, children. Last class we completed prepositions and kinds of preposition and the classes of preposition. Is it so, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can see some important prepositions and their usages. Okay. I hope you have completed classwork also. Completed everyone classwork?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Up to which we completed? Kinds of preposition we completed.
Yes, ma'am. Position of a preposition.
Position of preposition we completed. Okay, fine. So children, today we are going to see the common usages of some prepositions. Already I told you that same preposition that we are using in the say different contexts. Okay, so such kind of preposition, how to use, where to use, when to use, that we can see. Okay, put your hands down everyone. Put your hands down. Some participants I cannot see in the list, so I will take the attendance today after the class. So listen, first one, common usages of at and in. At where will you use at? At is commonly used to show the stationary position. Okay. Stationary position, to show the stationary position of something. What do you mean by stationary position? Existing position. What do you mean by stationary position? Existing position. Example, she is at home. That means she is there and she is not going anywhere. She is at home. She is at home. Got it, children? She is at home. It shows that she is not going anywhere. Currently, she is in the home. Got it? So that is what is showing. She is at home. Next, at the age of 19, she is at the age of 19. That is also a permanent thing. It is not moving. At present, it is not moving. So we can say that she is at the age of 19. So what is the first usage? First at and in. Oftenly we are confusing by using the usages of at and in. First we can see this one. It shows stationary position. At is used to show the stationary position. In is used to show the motion. The train is in movement or train is in motion. It is expressed a period of time. Another one usage of in is it is expressed a period of time. Then in shows the movement. Next, second usage is it is used to express a period of time. Yesterday we studied that in is used to show the time also. So it expresses a period of time. Example, in February, in the morning, in the year 1992 likewise. Got it, children? So sometimes we can use at also for denoting a small place to show that most small place. So at two usages we studied. First one to denote the stationary state. Okay, first usage to denote the stationary state. Second usage, it denotes a small place. Got it? So these two cases we can use at. Then in we can use to show the movement and a period of time. These two cases we can use in also. Who joined recently now? Who joined now? Taruna. Tarun is latecomer.
Ma'am, I'm Dayanani, ma'am, for network issue, I rejoined, ma'am.
Okay.
Also joined.
Ponnandish, when you joined Ponnandish? Ponnandish, ஒரு கால் வந்தா மட்டும்தான் ஜாயின் பண்ண முடியும். So Santosh B and Agilesh is not in the class. See children, somebody left the class also. This is what is happening. இதுதானே ஒரு பழக்கம். கிளாஸ்க்கு போகுது. சாம்சன் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு? ஆன் ஹோல்டில் இருக்கு. Santosh B came. Santosh reply பண்ண மாட்டியா? How many times I am asking, but nothing in the mouth. Agilesh only absent today. Then see children, there are two usages of at and in. At we can use to show the stationary state and to show the small place or a precious point of time. Example, he lives at a Kantambalayam. Likewise, we can say. Next usage of to and into. To already we know that to we can use in these cases. What are the cases? To specify the direction, to destination, comparison. Then as a part of infinitive, then we can use to. Example, direction, how we can say to turn the left. I am going to Jaipur. To comparison, we can say I prefer cricket to hockey. Likewise, we can use to. Into, what do you mean by into? Into, it shows the movement. To the inside, it shows the movement. We stopped into the room. Next usage is change in the condition. The boy changed into a man. So change of a condition we can use into. Next, beside and beside, all these things I will give as a classwork. Then if you once again, if you go through the usages, it is easy for you to understand. Next, beside and besides. Beside means at the side of. He was sitting beside me, or we camped beside a river. Next, besides. Besides, in addition to. மட்டுமல்லாதே அந்த மீனிங் வெறும் besides. Besides-னா he has a car besides a motorcycle. அப்ப அவன் ரெண்டு இருக்கு, கார் இருக்கு, motorcycles இருக்கு, in addition to. Next, between and among. What is the difference between and among? All these things you come across in your lower classes, just refreshing, that is enough.
Ma'am,
This one,
between means,
between and above.
ma'am, between means, we
Between,
can say with two persons, ma'am.
ma'am,
Among
between
means,
is
ma'am, a
used
group
for
of
only
persons, ma'am.
six persons, ma'am. Among is used for
Ah,
more than two, ma'am. Two.
very good, very good. Both are correct only. Sridharish and Suvida, clap. Clap for them, children. Nobody clapped. Sanjit clapped. Sridharish, Shwel Karthik, Kavyasri, Suhida. நவநீத சந்தோஷ்னால அந்த கிளாப் ஆப்ஷன் இல்லையா? ம் So that is the usage of beside and besides. Beside is sorry between and among. Between we are using between used for two things or person, and among usually used for more than two person or things. Example: he distributed his property between his two sons. He was happy to be among his friends again. So these are the usages of some important prepositions. So by doing so many exercises, you will be able to grasp the differences and usages. What is children? Shall I share the class work? Shall I share the class work, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Open your video and show your class work to me, everyone. Okay, fine. What about others? Iniga, Vishal, Abhishalini, Varsha, Bharani, Krishna Priya, Sanjay. Today English MCQ is there. Without fail, everyone should attend the MCQ. Otherwise, I will call and inform your parent, and this week mark and attendance I will not give to you. Gogul came today. Gogul. PAP எல்லாம் பெரிய ஹோல்டு இருக்கு. சரி ஓகே children, I will post. Devapriyan joined. I think we first of all reached to all the three classes. Is it reached to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write fast. Whoever in the class at the end of the class only will get the attendance. Okay, remaining and all I kept as absent. Kausalya Lakshmi went out of the meeting.